Ethnicity is a blessing to Nigeria, and of course, Valley surrounds various parts of the country. Adiré is a special art, and we are in the city of Osogbo to see how it has been made.
Osogbo ìlú Aró. Osogbo Oroki Asala. The city of Osogbo is blessed with Aro, the ingredient for making tie and dye. This
tie and dye means a process whereby we tie our material, or we use a twine or a thread for resistance. Let me come again. Tie and dye is a process whereby you use a thread or rope or any tying object for a resistance. It's very simple like that.
I am a native of Osogbo.
Can you tell us the historical background about tie and dye?
Tie and dye. Okay, as far as tie and dye is concerned, you see, I'm from Osogbo. When we talk of Osogbo culture, the tie and dye you ask about is from Osogbo and is one of our culture that should not allow to die like that. So we are looking for one way or the other to improve upon the tie and dye because it's our culture. It's a traditional culture of our town, Osogbo.
So how do you
History made us to believe that one day, as they were clearing the land, they insisted that they cut the tree that belongs to the spirit world. A voice was reportedly heard from the river shouting, Láàárọ̀, Tìmẹ́yìn, ẹ ti fọ́ ìkòkò aró mi. Meaning, Láàárọ̀, Tìmẹ́yìn, you have broken my dying pot. Other voices from the river were heard saying, Oshoigbo Paleo, Oshoigbo Rorao. Oshoigbo, we commiserate with you. That was where the name Osogbo was coined from.
As Osogbo is concerned, the origin of Osogbo, the founder of Osogbo, they are, inherited that tie and dyes from the goddess of river. They inherited it. It was the goddess of the river Osun herself that taught them this tie and dye.
different techniques for making tie and dye. We have the peacock and the square technique. The peacock is used when raffia and rubber has been used as a means to resist tie and dye. While the rubber and any object that can resist the dye properly is used in the square technique. Both the peacock and the square could be used to produce patterns.
So now we want to do what we call tie and dye, but the technique we want to use is by using raffia and rubber band, and it's called peacock. What did I say?
Peacock.
So look at it. You will fold it. I will show it to you. And later you now fold it and yourself. So we fold the material into two.
In addition, the materials and tools needed for making tie and dye are white cloth, rope, dye, caustic soda, hydrosulfate. Furthermore, the tools include hand rubber glove, stove, small pan, raffia, and bowl. Undoubtedly, making the tie and dye includes various processes. The first step is to get a plain white cloth. Secondly, fold the cloth depending on the type of design you want to make on the cloth. Untie the part you don't want to appear on. Thirdly, you dip the cloth in a bowl filled with dye, already mixed caustic soda, hydrosulfate, and water. Consequently, use the turning stick to stir the cloth. Continuously bring out to check as often as you can. Then you dip it into the water again until it's soaked. After which you bring out the water, you dry it out in the sun. Nevertheless, before you dry it in the sun, you must ensure that you have already removed the tied area, and then you are ready made Adiré. You can sew your Adiré, which is also known as tie and dye, into different styles. One of the popular artists in this field is Mr. Muritala Adebayo David, popularly known as the visually impaired artist, who has been in the profession for over 19 years. Tie and dye has become an income earner and a source of job to many who have thought to make a profession out of it, with many centers such as African Child Art Gallery, owned by Mr. Muritala Adebayo David. Admittedly, the significance of tie and dye to the Yoruba race cannot be overemphasized, as they are elegant people conscious of the way they go around. Nudity and its whole culture is an abomination to the Yorubas. In fact, it is directly connected to the mental illness, which has made the significance of the Osogbo city to the Yorubas understandable and undeniable, as it is the biggest textile producing town in Nigeria. Talking about the economic prospects, tie and dye has become an alternative source of income. It has helped Nigeria to maintain bilateral relationship with a strong country like Germany, while seeking for the divergent opinion of different people in the city of Osogbo. Some of them have
Because in the northern part of Nigeria, in olden days, in 50s, in 40s, in 30s, they used to, these Hausa people, they used to come and buy the clothes from us. In the eastern part of Nigeria, they use, that is the Igbo people, they used to come and buy this type of clothes, clothes from us. In as far as Lagos, Abeokuta, Ijebu people, they used to come and buy. So people.
My name is Semi Aziz, an indigen of Offa. I like Adiré because of its uniqueness and its uncommon work of art. Adiré as an attire depicts the cultural background of the Yorubas. In fact, it is my mostly worn attire. An advantage that Adiré has is that it can be sewn into different styles and dresses.
My name is Balogun Kausra Titilope, a graduate from Chemistry, Fountain University, Osogbo. Well, Adiré is referred to as tie and dye, and is most common in Abeokuta. That's where they make it mostly, and people do wear it. I like it too, especially the colorful ones. You can use it to sew different kind of style gowns, Ira and Buba, as wrapper and top. I think it's cool.
Alright, I'm Akinle Oluwatobiloba, a 400 level student of Economics Department of this great institution. Alright, about Adiré, I know Adiré to be a very nice clothing material. It's a traditional wear, and I know maybe most of those that stay in Osun State, or rather state of Osun, are used to, wearing this cultural wear because it's more of a traditional thing. And particularly about myself, I wouldn't say I don't like it, but I don't really, maybe I don't have flair for this traditional wear thing. But notwithstanding, it brings out very blooming colors. It's very nice when you have it, and also when you get someone to do it very well, you get the
Until
beauty
we
out of
come
it.
your
It's a
way
very
again
nice.
next
It's a
time,
very nice.
please follow us on our social media pages, especially on YouTube. Go on Motilola Fabawale, and on Twitter, go on Moti's Men's Brand, and on Instagram, go on Elite Adiré. Bye for now.